Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to share with you how to make easy and healthy cacao spread, or you can call it chocolate spread. This spread is raw and very easy to make. To make this spread, I will need 5 tablespoons cacao powder. If you don't have cacao powder, you can use cocoa powder. Either one will work. 300 milliliter coconut cream or normal coconut milk. But if using coconut milk, it will take a little bit longer to settle. Half teaspoon vanilla. If you don't have or you don't like vanilla, you can skip. 4 tablespoons maple syrup, but you also can use other liquid sweetener like honey. 1/4 cup of peanut butter, or you can use any nut butter that you have in hand. Now I'm going to put all ingredients in the blender and blend until really smooth. Pour into the jar, let it set in the fridge 3 to 5 hours. And this is what is texture after 5 hours. The longer you keep in the fridge, the thicker will be. But please remember, if you use coconut milk, it will take a little bit longer to settle.